Hello, my name is Rich Nolan from Nolan Engineering, located in upstate New York, and today we're going to introduce you to the basement wall straps. So here's a full length strap that you would get. Typically this is going to be longer than what you actually need. So the first thing you do is you want to secure it to the top block. Now this is an 8-inch top block, so I'm going to use the 4th hole. And what that's going to do is allow me enough strapping material to bend this over and screw it to the rim board. If you had a 4-inch top block, you would use the 3rd hole from the top. So I'm going to have Brian come and secure this to the center of the block. Now again, this is a foam wall, so we're not using right now the actual screws, but we'll show you that in a moment. So the first thing you want to do is secure to the center of your top block. Now there's a hollow cell here and there's a hollow cell here. You want to screw into the hollow part of the block. It's just easier. So you would either do it here at this 3rd point location or here at this 2/3 point location. Once you get your top strap secured, you want to level the strap along the wall and put some tension on it with your foot. And this works best with having a helper that could stand here and put tension on it. And then you'll screw down, starting from the top and working your way down to the bottom while keeping tension on the strap. And wear your safety glasses. All right. Now I should also mention that right now, because this is foam, we are not pre-drilling, but you would actually pre-drill this with a 3/8-inch masonry bit, which we'll show you in a moment. Now, as I mentioned earlier, these get 1 screw per block, but when the wall gets to a certain height, because of the tension that's developed in the strap, it will start requiring 2 screws. So this wall would need 2 screws in the bottom block. Once the strap's installed, you would just cut off the excess at the bottom. The final step is to bend this strap over and secure it to the rim board. And then you would cut the excess off at the top. Now if your wall's not tipping in at the top, it's not absolutely necessary to do that step. You could cut the strap off here. But for extra added protection, you would just screw it to the rim board. So now we're going to show you how the strap is actually attached to a concrete block wall. Obviously we just have a small section here. So when the strap is aligned down the wall, you're going to take a hammer drill with a 3/8-inch masonry drill bit, which we do provide one. Depending on your strap order, they do wear out after several straps, so you may have to purchase yourself another one. The straps do come with all the bolts, we should mention as well, the bolts for the top rim board and for all the walls. So I'll have Brian demonstrate how that drills. So it only takes a few seconds to drill through. If this were an actual wall, it would even drill quicker because you just push against the wall. Then you want to switch over your bit to another hammer driven system and to install the actual anchor bolt. And that's how quickly this goes on. Do not over tighten the bolt, it just needs to be snugged up. There's nothing trying to pull the bolt out of the block, it's simply in shear. And that's how quickly that goes together. It's mechanically fastened, so you did not have to clean this block. If there's paint or debris or whatever on this, you could just leave it there. And now these blocks are locked together, so as that earth tries to push and spread this apart, there's no way that this is going to open up.